What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect your PS5 controller to your iPhone or iPad. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Firstly, you need to make sure that your PS5 controller is turned off. Once it's off, you're going to press and hold the PlayStation button and the Create button simultaneously. Keep holding these buttons until the light bar on your controller begins to flash. This puts your controller in pairing mode, making it discoverable by your iPhone or iPad. Now, grab your iPhone or iPad and open the Settings app. From there, navigate to the Bluetooth section. If Bluetooth is off, then you'll need to turn it on. Once it's on, you should see your PS5 controller listed as DualSense Wireless Controller in the list of available devices. Go ahead and tap on DualSense Wireless Controller. Your iPhone or iPad will now pair with the controller. If the controller pairs but doesn't connect, just press the PlayStation button on the controller. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your PS5 controller to your iPhone or iPad. Now, you can enjoy a whole new level of gaming on your Apple device with your PS5 controller. Remember, not every game on Apple Arcade or from the App Store will support controller input, but many do. To check if a game supports controllers, navigate to the App Store and look up the game or application. Under the App Information section, you can find controller support information. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.